I'm Alicia. I'm the Business Development Officer for Skyreach Zonkeh.
I'm Denise from the Parts Division. I'm the manager here and I oversee the operations for the Zonkeh department. In the beginning of this year, in March 2022, the company decided to do laser cutting for the in-house department. They basically started the division Skyreach Zonkeh. The laser cutting machine, the Vodor 3 kilowatt, was installed in March 2022, which assists with the cutting of the bushcat airplane parts and also outsource customers.
We do want to extend our services into the aviation industry and cut for many other companies that make parts for aircraft. So the Bushcat specifically, we do a lot of stuff for them. We do their parts, and we also do some marketing, signage for them. This is an example of what we've done for Skyreach and their Bushcat.
Okay, so the machine has got a capability of cutting carbon steels, stainless steels and also aluminium items, from the thicknesses of 0.5 up until 20 millimeters on your carbon steels and 10 millimeters on your stainless steel and aluminium.
So apart from the aviation industry, we also extend our services to other industries like the mining industry. We cut quite a lot of parts for the mining industry. We require thicker materials. We do the food industry, vehicle automotive industry, and signage, which brings us to this, and the gifting industry, which allows us to cut fun things.
The next step in the process that we do is we basically take the parts, we deburr them, make them clean and nicely, and then afterwards we do a 100% quality check on them, and then they go into packaging where we put them into little plastic bags, heat seal them and put our logo on it. Sometimes what we also do is smaller items don't get labeled. We put them in little packaging boxes and then we seal the boxes with our custom-made company tape. Besides for the laser cutting machine, we've also got a CNC bending machine, 125 ton, that gives us the capabilities of bending various parts, various shapes and various thicknesses, which also extends our services to the outside companies that we supply parts to.
you.